In this video, you'll learn the ap word family. The letters A and P, when they are blended together, says ap. A makes the A sound and P makes the P sound. And when they're blended together, they say ap, ap, ap. Let's read some ap words. Ap, ap, sap. Ap, ap, nap. Ap, ap, cap. Ap, ap, tap. O, ap, lap. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. I love you.